Welcome to another unboxing. We have 4 LEGO Disney 100 minifigure bags to open. These are out now, and so minty fresh, there aren't any field guides. Yet. Want to be on the pulse too? How about giving this video a like, and then hitting the subscribe button. Unlike the last few series, this series has a whopping 18 to collect. And if untapped, there should be 2 complete sets to a box. There aren't any secret or chase characters. And we again see boxes of 6 for people in a hurry, which shouldn't yield any doubles. On to bag 1. It's Baymax.
Diagnosis? Puberty.
Whoa, what?
Puberty can often be a confusing time for a young adolescent flowering into manhood.
And bag 2. It's Jiminy Cricket.
As I stood there warming myself, I took a look around.
Bag 3. It's Oswald the Lucky Rabbit. And finally bag 4. It's Stitch 626. Word on the street is that this is the final series to be released in plastic bags, so the days of fondling and avoiding doubles may well and truly be over. Although there's no confirmation, it's believed the next series will be in boxes or possibly paper bags, but the latter is the more likely. And if that is the case, then full box purchases will be the best way to obtain a full set. So if you have like-minded friends, you can split the cost and all win. As for this series, it celebrates Disney's 100 years by going back to 1927 with Oswald the Lucky Rabbit, and then all the way up to 2017 with Miguel and Ernesto from Coco. But before you suggest many characters are missing, this is the 3rd Disney minifigure series, and we do see one double dip from series 1 with Stitch, where Lilo would have given long-serving collectors a tiny sense of completion. But overall, this is a rather eclectic mix of Disney characters through the years. Although not unlike the 2nd series, very light on Pixar love. If you're a Disney fan, you likely already intend on getting these if you haven't already. If you're an AFOL, you'll no doubt be poring over the unique and never before seen pieces from these sets and thinking of where else you can apply them in your own custom builds. But for now, that's our unboxing.
Ohana means family. Family means nobody
gets left behind
or forgotten.
Yeah.
Ba-la-la-la.